Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to do another messy clean with me. So hopefully this video motivates you to get some of your homemaking done today. And it is a pretty fast one, but I'm going to have another deep clean with me video Monday or Tuesday. So if you need some super long cleaning motivation, definitely stay tuned for that one.
And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you.
So I saw this trash bag hack on TikTok one day, and I've been doing it for a while, but I thought I would show y'all. So you put the trash bag on the outside, and then you just push down, and then you don't have all that air in the inside of the can, so you can go ahead and fill it up with all your trash. I think that's super cool. Let me know in the comments down below if you knew about that trash bag hack, or if that's your first time seeing it.
Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up, 'cause I just wanna see the light.
So I'm curious, did y'all go Black Friday shopping and did you find any good deals? We went to a few stores and I noticed that it was weird, a lot of the deals were only 15% off, 20% off. So I'm just curious, what did you think of the Black Friday deals if you went shopping this year?
In the crowd. Saw let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the one pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside, you know.
Alright, y'all, we're halfway through the video, so hopefully this is giving y'all some motivation. If you're still sitting and watching, maybe after this video you'll get that motivation to get up and clean. That's how I am. I will click on a clean with me, and I'll think like, okay, I'm just gonna sit here and watch the whole thing, especially because some of the videos I watch is partly me like just supporting my friends that also make these videos. But I will sit there and for like 3 minutes, and then I'm like, okay, I get this itch and I need to get up and go clean something. So these videos really do work. So hopefully they work for y'all as well, and it does help inspire you to get up and get some cleaning done.
I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the light. 'Cause I just wanna see the light.
Better say something that will change my mind. Gotta give me something, 'cause I'm not blind. And I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance. We won't stand a chance.
My heater just kicked on, but the last hack I have for y'all in this video is to count your clothes before you pull out your hangers. That way you get the amount of hangers you need, and the process seems to just go by so much faster.
I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance. I love how you read my mind when I'm lying. I'm trying to be right the whole time. You don't fight it. I try it.
Alright, and after all that cleaning was done, I have to show y'all how the house looks afterwards. So here's the after of all the rooms that we got done today. Hopefully this video was super motivating. That is my word, I guess, on this channel. Motivating, motivating, motivating. But also, I just want to let y'all know, don't ever feel like you gotta get everything done. I surely never get everything done. So unless you just want to get it all done, know that that is never an expectation that you should have to strive for. But I will see y'all back here in the next video, which will be very soon. So subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you then. Bye!